All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your MTSS grades as pass-fail. So the first thing you need to do is go over to Settings and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, you want to go to Traditional Grade Calculations. From here, make sure that you're in your MTSS block, and this is how we set it up at the beginning of the year. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to go into each one of these reporting terms. I need to click on the Action button, and I need to unclick that check and save. And I need to do that for each of these just in my MTSS. Okay, now you can see that all of these say no overall grade calculated. Okay, so now that that is done, now that I can come back up here to grading, I can come back up here to assignment list, and I can start to create assignments. So I can go ahead and create an assignment. I can name it whatever I want. And I can click the category because it doesn't matter. I can click whatever, I can go ahead and click pass fail here. Point value doesn't matter. And then I can save and close. Okay, so now I go into my new assignment and I want to enter grades. So here's where I'm going to enter pass or fail depending on how they did. So after you've entered all of the grades in here for pass fail, you're going to go to grading and you're going to go to score sheet. And in the score sheet now you can click right where I clicked here, and this will be their overall grade. So I can say pass and fail, whatever I need to put in there. It does not matter that this says a 0%. The biggest thing is that these have pass fail going all the way down. And obviously you would have pass fail listed here too, but these are the ones that you are overriding.